How to fix Telegram's connecting problem. So if you want to fix the Telegram's connecting problem, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once your internet connection is stable, you need to simply open up the Telegram or choose the Telegram. Tap and hold on to that Telegram application and then go for app info. Once you're here on the app info, you can simply go for storage and cache. Go for clear cache, which is on the right side, and then go for clear storage if you remember your login information. But if you don't remember your login information, or if you're not being able to log in, or if you don't remember your login credentials, or if you don't have access to it, then don't tap on clear storage. Tap on clear cache and then clear your cache on your Telegram, and that's it, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply reinstall or simply uninstall your application and then again reinstall the application from your Play Store or your App Store, and your problem will be fixed. Or you can simply restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes on how to fix the Telegram connecting problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.